Hello, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to name binary ionic compounds. So to do this, there's only 3 steps that you need to follow. Step 1 for naming an ionic compound is just name the first element. Pretty simple, just look at whatever the first element is and just write its name. Second step, it's just as easy. Name the second element. So you're going to name the first element, name the second element, but before you finish writing the name of the second element, you are going to add the IDE ending to the end of the second element. So that's all that you have to do. Name the first element, name the second element, add the IDE ending. So let's do some practice with that. So we're going to try and name this compound. You got KBr. So, following our naming steps, the first thing we do is write the name of the first element, which K is potassium. So we'd write potassium. Our second step is to write the name of the second element, which is bromine. So we're going to start writing that. And we're going to stop here because we're going to drop the ending of bromine. And step 3 tells us we've got to add that IDE ending on the end. So instead of bromine, it'll become bromide. So this compound would be called potassium bromide. We want to do one more example. Let's do MgO. So our first step is write the name of the first element, which is magnesium. Then our second step is to write the name of the second element, which is oxygen. So we start OX, and then we're going to drop the rest of oxygen to write in our suffix, adding that IDE ending. So instead of oxygen, it will become oxide. So our compound will be magnesium oxide. So that's all there is for naming binary ionic compounds.